So, though our lovely government has already admitted to expect delays, it is that time again still. It's tax season. Many of you are on your way to getting that thousands of dollars of hard earned money from the prior year's earnings. And I'm going to show you how to take that same money and start making it work hard for you. We're going to talk about it in this video. This is JP from Blueprint for Prosperity, helping you to increase your net worth through relationship banking, maximizing your borrowing capacity, proper use of life insurance, and the acquisition and ownership of real estate. I want you guys to like this video, subscribe down below. I'm uploading content on a daily basis to help you keep crafting your personal blueprint for prosperity. So, how can you take your tax return or any other lump sum of money? Some of you are getting year-end bonuses as well from your jobs. Any lump sum of money that you're legitimately getting your hands on, how can you take it and put it to work in 2023? Here's a quick strategy. For those of you who have been following the channel, you know I'm all about lending. I'm all about maximizing your borrowing capacity. One of the most effective ways to maximize your borrowing capacity is showing a consistently increasing and stable income. So our hack today is going to take your lump sum of money, ideally about $5,000 to $7,000 or more. This is most effective for, and we're going to turn it into income. And that way you can turn it into more available credit. So let's say you get your tax return. We'll just call it $7,000. What you need to do, if you have not already done it yet, you need to go create a business entity. Create it under your own name. You can create it under a business idea you already had coming. If you have an existing business entity, even better. For those of you who are watching this that do not have a business entity set up, you may be watching this immediately thinking, a business entity is hard. I've never done that before. Don't let that turn you off. You can do a little bit of research. In most cases, set up a business entity on your Secretary of State, depending on your state. File for an EIN with the IRS the same day and have a business entity operational within a couple business days, but not that much money. If you're not the type of person to go out and do that for yourself, then you should be able to scrape up between $100 or $200, depending on your state, and outsource it to a company who will do it for you or an attorney who will do it for you. It exists. Either way it goes, if you're looking to level up your finances, if you're looking to function like a millionaire or beyond, this is the type of strategy you need to be putting in place. So set up a business entity, ideally some kind of LLC or corporation. I am not an attorney. Do your own research. A sole proprietorship may work fine, but you need to separate tax liability for this to be most effective. The next thing you're going to do once you set up that business entity is you're going to take that lump sum of money. Before you take that lump sum of money, obviously, if you set up your business entity, you need to set up a business bank account. Essential. You need to set up a business bank account. I have dropped a video on how to do that and what to expect already in the channel. I may link it into the description. If not, you can easily find it in the playlist. Once you set up a business entity and a business bank account, then you need to go set up payroll services. Yes, you need to find a payroll company, which there are a dime a dozen, and set up payroll services. It is not expensive to do. It takes a little bit of legwork. You have to get your state tax numbers and things like that in order. Most of these companies will give you step-by-step instructions on how to do this. This will be worth it. Business entity, business bank account, set up payroll. Once you have that done, you need to take the lump sum of money that you have received or that you're about to receive and funnel it through your business bank account and use it for payroll to pay yourself as a W-2 employee. What are you accomplishing when you do this? You're now adding another stream of income in the most stable manner possible. Lenders love W-2 income. So on top of whatever W-2 job you may have or independent contractor or freelance job you may have, now what you're doing is taking a lump sum of money, $5,000, $7,000, $10,000, funneling it through your business entity, paying yourself a payroll on that exact money. These companies will take care of the taxes for you in most cases. They'll take care of a lot of the legwork. You will be getting taxed extra on this money. But what's going to happen is now you're showing $5,000 to $7,000 to $10,000 more a year in income. Once you have the W-2s, and the pay stubs, you can now go apply for credit, whether you're increasing your existing credit card limits, go and apply for new credit cards or new loans, including real estate loans. This is an opportunity for you to max out your borrowing capacity because now you're legitimately showing more income and all it took was money that you already had. This is a millionaire's mindset. So thank you guys for tuning in. I enjoy bringing you this content. I want you guys to like this video, subscribe to the channel. I'm going to keep dropping gems like this to help you keep increasing your net worth. I want you guys to stay focused, stay in motion. I'll see y'all soon.